Alright, everybody. So question number one, our best bet is to focus our attention on our vertex of our parabola. So our vertex is located at -5, -7. Now, because the vertex is at -5 for the x value, that means that you're going to have +5 on the inside of our equation. So we can cross off A and C. Okay, we want a +5 on the inside, -7 on the outside based on the vertex. Now they have these same equations here. The only difference is the first equation of each has a different fraction in the front. So we focus our attention on the line, and I would suggest always finding 2 points on the line, labeling them. And now I'm going to leave this up to you. I'm going to tell you that you're going to graph these two equations. You're going to graph B and you're going to graph D and use menu 5-1 to trace the line and figure out which one actually crosses through the point -6, -3, and 0, 1. Question number two, I will go through this one all the way through. We have a fraction in the front, 1/4. So we say if we have a number in the front that is smaller than 1, then we say it's vertically compressed. So it's been vertically compressed by 1/4. So A says vertically compressed by a factor of 1/4, so does B. So we can cross off the ones that say stretched, C and D. Okay, it's only stretched if it's bigger than 1 in the front. Smaller than 1 in the front is always compressed. We have a -12 on the inside. So if we have a -12 on the inside, it's going to shift things to the right side. When we have a negative on the inside, it shifts to the right. So it's kind of like the opposite. That's how the vertex is also the opposite in that sense. And we see that answer choice A says that it translates 12 units to the right. So my answer is A. Before I move on though, in case on your ACP, you got to go one step further. The -10 on the outside, remember that negatives on the outside are going to move this, they're going to shift this thing down. So this will go down 10 units, which again shows up on answer choice A, which means negative on the outside goes down, positive on the outside would go up. Question number three. This one, I'm going to let you sort out. I'm going to just kind of give you the setup. Remember that we're going to graph this. Whenever it says solve or find the value, or you see an equal sign with a left side and a right side, you're going to be able to graph these and use menu 5-1. And I'll give you some quick guidelines for graphing. Remember that when you're solving by graphing, you only use the letter X. That's why I changed the Q into X. You do not type the equal sign, otherwise it will not give you a graph. And you change the signs of everything on the right side. So instead of 6Q, it becomes -6X. Instead of -9, it becomes +9. So find the zeros, find where it touches the X-axis by using menu 5-1.